Every object in the universe exerts a force on each other which is proportional to their mass and distance. We are all familiar with Newton's universal gravitational law, but to be honest, his theory leaves me unsatisfied. I mean, it doesn't reveal much about the nature of gravity itself. Hear me out. The law states that everything is pulling on everything else with a gravitational force. The more massive the object, the stronger the gravitational pull. This means when two people are standing near each other, they are actually pulling on each other with a gravitational force. Or consider a coin on a table. If you place your hand near it, you are technically pulling the coin towards you with your own gravity, but of course the coin will not move because your gravitational pull is weak compared to the Earth and some massive attraction. So the problem I have with the law is, it doesn't explain what caused the force of attraction between objects, but it explains the condition for attraction, mass and distance. Unlike Coulomb's law of electromagnetic field, which explains that opposite charge attracts and like charge repels. This makes sense, but Newton's law doesn't give us a clear understanding of what causing the attraction between objects. It just tells us it happens. I made some research a while ago and found that even Newton himself was unsure, saying only a fool would believe every object exerts a force on each other. But here's the thing, we have successfully used Newton's law to calculate escape velocity, which is the minimum amount of speed required for an object to leave Earth's atmosphere. But truth be told, his law simply doesn't explain much. Much later, Albert Einstein developed general relativity, describing gravity as the fabric of space-time. So imagine a trampoline. If you put a small ball on it, it won't bend much and the ball will roll straight. But if you put a heavy ball on it, the trampoline will bend and curve. And now, roll the small ball again, and this time you notice that the ball will follow a curved path towards the heavy ball, like planet orbiting the sun. Einstein's general relativity predicts that gravity could bend light. This was a radical idea at that time and many people were skeptical, until the discovery of a black hole, an object so heavy that not even light could escape its gravity. So Einstein's fabric analogy works well for a celestial body, but it doesn't fully explain how gravity affects us on Earth or how the moon's gravity impacts the ocean. Newton's law, however, does. In conclusion, I believe we still haven't truly understand the force of gravity. Although we have made some progress, but I believe there's still more for us to uncover. Share your thoughts, let's continue the conversation, and please don't forget to subscribe.